Hi guys, and welcome to my tutorial on how to use the department's FotoPro uF02 Bendy tripods and the department's mobile phone tripod attachments. So when you collect your Bendy tripod from the department, it will come in one of these carrying cases. So open that up and pull out the Bendy tripod. You should also have in the bag mobile phone attachment, instructions, an attachment to connect a CamPark video camera. Please see my other tutorials on how to use the CamPark cameras. And finally, if you wish, there is a Bluetooth remote control that you can use combined with your mobile phone, and the instructions for that can be found in the instruction manual. Starting with the Bendy tripod itself, on the top here there is an adjustment. If you turn this anti-clockwise, that loosens up the head of the tripod so you can make adjustments when you fitted either your camera or your phone on top. You can then turn that clockwise to lock that into position. On the top here is a standard fitting for most cameras. I have a camcorder here, and on the bottom you can see there is a screw thread. If I screw that into position like so, the camera is now attached to the Bendy tripod, and to remove, simply turn anti-clockwise. Take your mobile phone holder and pull down like so. On the bottom there you'll see there is a screw threaded hole. Take your tripod, screw onto the top. On the holder you can see there's two red tabs. Press those in and push up. With the mobile phone bracket facing away from you, grab your mobile phone. Always film in landscape and avoid filming in portrait. Place the bottom of your phone onto the rubber at the bottom of the bracket like so, and push down on the red bracket. Your phone is now attached to the tripod. Other mobile phone attachments for tripods available in the department include our newer mobile phone tripod attachments. On the top here, if you turn anti-clockwise, you can adjust the height of the holder. Take your mobile phone and place in between like so, and then turn clockwise to hold your phone in position. Similar to the other bracket, on the bottom there is a standard screw threaded hole. We then simply screw that onto our tripod, either a FotoPro or a standard tripod from the department, and we are ready to go. On these attachments you also have the option of turning this adjustment so that you can tilt the phone if required. Finally, to adjust the legs on these tripods, simply pull out like so, and these will bend in pretty much any position. So you could even attach this to a skating board, you could attach it to the top of a chair. As you can see, they're very pliable and very useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial.